Most men speak with words, but the real players, they speak without saying a single thing. Your body is constantly talking. And women, they're fluent in that language. You could be standing across the room and still spark fantasies in her head without even realizing it. Let's dive into 9 subtle body language cues that trigger attraction deep in a woman's subconscious. Number 1, the grounded walk. When you walk, do it like you own the space. Slow, deliberate, balanced. No rushing, no bouncing, just calm, grounded steps. It signals, I'm in control of myself and the room. And yes, women definitely notice it. Number 2, the relaxed jaw and soft eyes. Tension in your face screams anxiety, but when your jaw is relaxed and your eyes are calm and focused, you project emotional control and masculine calm. It's subtly seductive because it signals strength without aggression. Number 3, the unbreakable eye contact. Not creepy, not forced, just consistent, calm eye contact that says, I see you, and I'm not in a hurry. That makes a woman wonder, who is this guy? Number 4, the light touch, but only once. If you're already talking to her and the moment feels right, a light touch on the upper arm or back as you laugh just for a second. It's not about the touch, it's about the permission it implies. It's charged, subtle, and leaves her curious for more. Number 5, leaning back, not forward. Most men lean in when they're interested, but leaning back, shoulders relaxed, posture open, flips the script. It shows you're centered, not chasing. That dynamic drives her wild with curiosity. Number 6, the micro smile. It's not a full grin, it's that subtle smirk that says, I know something you don't. Confident, mysterious, playful. It sparks intrigue, and yes, fantasies, every time. Number 7, the pause before you speak. Before you answer a question, pause for 1 or 2 seconds. That pause creates tension, the good kind. It shows you're thoughtful and unintimidated, and it builds suspense, which is sexy. Number 8, showing the neck and wrists. Sounds crazy? It's primal. When you subtly expose vulnerable areas like your neck or wrists, you send signals of openness, trust, and calm. She may not consciously notice, but subconsciously, it draws her in. Number 9, the slow blink. Fast blinking equals nervous energy, but slow, deliberate blinks show composure, presence, and cool confidence. It's hypnotic, and women feel it. You don't need to be loud. You don't need lines. Your body already knows the language. Master it. And women won't just notice you. They'll fantasize about you. If this video lit a spark, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs this, and hit subscribe for more content on attraction, confidence, and masculine energy.